Welcome to Archer Learnings, and in this video we're going to see how to flip an image either vertically or horizontally in UiPath Studio, and we're going to see how we can flip this particular image either vertically or horizontally. So we will see that how you can achieve that in UiPath Studio. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more of these videos. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And the first thing that you need to do is first go to manage packages and click on all packages and search for this particular package, which is UiPath team.image activities, which is created by UiPath team here. So click on install and save. Then you can able to see here the UiPath team package. If you click on that, you can see the image where you can find these actions which can be done in UiPath image, which is created by UiPath team. So here you can see there are two activities, image flip activity and image flip vertical activity. So let me first drag image flip horizontal activity and then image flip vertical activity. This is now we are just seeing a static image which will be converted either vertically or horizontally flipped. So we will see only the static image for this video. So I am selecting this particular path, the image path, and here are the output values, the resulting image path of the flip horizontal activity. So let me give the same one, and it will create as output image if it is not present. So let me make it as horizontal image. So it will create me a horizontal JPG image, and let me give the same path here so that we can see the difference clearly on which way it is flipped. So that's the reason why I selected only a single image, so that we can clearly observe the difference between a horizontal and the vertical. So here it will be vertical.jpg. In this particular folder we have only one image now. When I run this particular workflow here with these two activities, it will create another two images, which is horizontal and the vertical image. So let me run this one and check whether it is creating me the two images, which is horizontally flipped and the vertically flipped. We only got a vertical.jpg. So let me check this one, the horizontal, where it is vertical, and here it is vertical and here it is one.jpg. So I haven't changed this path, so you can see the difference here, which is horizontally flipped and one is horizontally flipped and one is vertically flipped. The vertical one is the horizontal one now, and one is the vertical.jpg. So here you can see it is flipped horizontally and it is flipped vertically. It is flipped horizontally and that is flipped vertically, because you can see the difference of it is flipped vertically. And so without any doubt, let me run this again, because it only takes a minute. So let me copy this file and paste this again in this particular folder, replace. So let me delete this one and close this as well. Now let me pass it correctly. It is a horizontal horizontal.jpg, and this is vertical.jpg. So let me debug this again, which only taken 1 second for this to complete the flip of the image. Now it taken 2 seconds. So you can see it is a horizontal flip and it is a vertical flip. Here you can see UiPath, it is flipped horizontally on the X axis, and on the vertical axis it flipped on the vertical axis in the Y axis direction. So this is how you can flip the image in UiPath. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing for more of these videos. Thanks for watching.